Judges and batters are ready.
You ready to cheer, girls? Go, Nick, go, Nick, go! Go, Nick, go, 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 go! Come on, Nick! Go, Nick, go, Nick! Go, Nick, go, Nick, go! Nick, go, go, go! Go, Nick, go! Keep going, yeah!
Relay 1 and 2. Keep your 3 teams in this. You ready on 4 down there with this one? Looks good. Judges and timers, right. Ready? Swimmers up on the box, please. Swimmers, take a mark.
Alright, there you are, Nick. There's your relay buddy. You're the last one. Teammates getting in there. It's a very close call.
Go, Charlie!
Go!
Oh yeah! Okay, Nick, get in there.
Excuse me.
Nick, race home, race home. Go,
Go, Nick!
Go! Oh my gosh.
Go, boy. That's my son.
Go, Preston!
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Oh, go, Nick! Go! Come on! Go!
Oh, go, 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 go! Yes! Good job, not listening.
I don't want him to fall over backwards.
Some of these have the same sticker as different.
Hi, baby.
Swimmers, take your mark.
I'll get another pair of goggles. Honestly, the swim, well, the goggles on go.
68 to 69. I'm sorry, I said the wrong number.
I just want to go back. I won't make fun of it. Yeah. And I spent probably more. No, this is $70. No, about $67. This is say what? over here at the 6-yard line. Her dad's an Olympic coach, or her grandmother, you know, all this stuff.
This next is the 68.
Natalie.
Because,
Easy, honey. She's fine.
Can she dive in?
They'll tell her when. Probably not until that other girl touches the other side.
Yeah, but she can jump. She can dive, or does she have to be in the water?
I'm sure she has to be in the water.
Huh?
just start in the water.
She has to start in the
Only
water.
3 feet deep at the same.
Oh, okay.
Natalie, get in the water.
Remember, fast, baby. Wait till she touches. Wait till she touches.
Fine, honey. I mean, they're like way behind it.
Go, baby, go! Go, Natalie! Good, keep going fast, Natalie! Faster! Look at her. Keep going, Natalie! She's running out of energy there. They all are. They're so pooped.
All right.
All right, that was a nice clean. No DQ. Now she can jump. She's gonna go home and knock out.